Mama. If you know that you are medically fit, why would you allow another man to lay your wife? What if your wife is the problem and not you?
She's okay.
Why? How? So my brother, you are telling me that Dozie was on top of your wife for 1 hour?
1 good hour. Or by 1 good hour.
Hey!
Being on top of my wife for 1 hour is not even the problem.
What is the problem?
The problem is that Ndidi was mourning for Dozie.
Aye.
Neti.
Aye.
Dozie na dim. She's receiving mourning. She has never mourned like that for me since we got married.
Aye.
And you know Dozie is very big down there. Look at huge. Yeah, propeller. Ona mwe Ndidi da. Ndidi anawe nebe. Ona mwe for 1 good hour firing Ndidi. It was morning.
I understand how you feel. I'm already heartbroken.
Hi.
I'm just imagining I wear your shoes. I would have committed suicide though.
Hi. Sometimes I wonder if it's the same father that gave birth to us.
Wait though. Very, very important though. You need to keep an eye on them. You know, women, they don't have brain.
Yeah.
They don't forget a man that knocked them very well. Any man that gave it to them, especially more than the way the husband gives it to them, they don't forget them. Keep an eye on them. In fact, as we are talking now, where is Dozie? Are you sure he's not in your...
Oh. Dozie.
Are you sure he's not?
Hey! Chibo!
Hi! Hi! I don't know, you have this kind of sense. So, he finally gets pregnant. What does that tell us, Sabina? He simply tells us that my brother Sochi is impotent. That's it.
Wait, Amoge, are you really excited about this?
Clearly.
Are you really excited?
Of course I am! Of course! What am I here for? The only thing I am interested in this whole matter, pregnancy. I don't care where the pregnancy comes from. Provided there is pregnancy. And from pregnancy result to all I need is a child. Yes.
You're interested in pregnancy.
Yes.
So when your husband was alive, before he died, why didn't you come and tell me to give you pregnancy?
Those ones that have gone dead.
And you are in my house.
Those ones that have gone dead.
You are in my house. Be that is specialty in dealing with widows in the village.
Hi!
Did anybody
You're back?
come looking for me this morning?
No.
No.
You came back so early. What happened?
The interview was cancelled.
Sachi! Are you okay?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Talk to me now, what's going on? Are you looking for something or someone? At least I can help. Are you expecting someone?
I thought you dressed our bed this morning. Why is it scattered?
Which bed?
Do we have 2 beds in this house? Our bed now?
Yes, I dressed it, but I took it off because the bedsheet was very dirty. I needed to wash it. Why?
After dressing the bed, you found out it is dirty and decided to wash.
There were stains on it. I had to wash it out.
Stains? When you stain? Who stained it?
The bedsheet was dirty. I had to wash it.
Where did you spread it?
Backyard.
In the quiet of a longing, a child of prayer to see. Years of waiting.
Go and get me the food I want to eat now.
I turn to my own.
Why are you tying that up?
With a heart full of trust. Help me to do this. This love must not end this way. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go to. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go to. Tell me what to do. Never know. Tell me what to do. No, no. Tell me what to do. The fates is crowded. The goats we have lied. Tell me what to do. No, no. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Now the price is ours to pay. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Just only one night, all has changed. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Oh, oh, oh. She came to me with trembling lips. The child inside is real, but her eyes held secret shadows. Wounds too deep to hear. My brother turned in shame. I tell too dark to say. I don't know what else to do. I don't know where to go.
Dozie.
Oh.
Dozie, what's going on? You've been doing a lot of thinking lately. What is it?
Auntie, welcome. Now, I want to talk to you. It's very important. I have something to discuss with you. Okay. Yeah, Nyefe. You can go. I say you should leave. Not Charlie. Okay. Whatever that happened between you and your brother's wife. Yes! Whatever that happened between you and your brother's wife must be a top secret. Are you hearing me? It never happened. Dozie, it never happened though. Let us assume that it never happened, pending when the result is out. I know you now. You are started catching feelings, isn't it? Eh? Oh, you are started catching feelings. Ngwa, let me shock you. You must not have any feelings for your brother's wife. whatever feelings that you have started having for her, kill it. It must die. Kill it, oh! Kill it now! Kill it! Your brother is trying to save his face. Yes. And Papa will be very proud of him. Whatever that happened between both of you must not be disclosed to anyone. Dozier, do not disclose anything that happened between both of you to anyone. You must not tell anyone that you slept with your brother's wife. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Look at you. You have feelings. You are starting catching feelings for your brother's wife. You better start channeling that feelings to your own wife. And think on how to get her pregnant. Not somebody's wife. In her catchy feelings. Kill it! Kill it! Idiot.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay. Babe, I love you too.
Come here.
I'm paying your bride price next week.
Really? This is the best news ever.
I am happy as well. I can't wait either.
I love you so much.
I love you.
Okay. I thought you said you slept with him during your ovulation.
See, I did. I'm very sure I did. I thought I'll be pregnant by now.
You thought? You are still thoughting. Of course you are not. Yes! You are not pregnant! From the look of things here, you are not pregnant. And now you listen and listen good. There will be no marriage. Except you take him. Yes! If you are not... Hey, no, Auntie Snam! Auntie Snam, my friend! Don't auntie me anything. If you are not pregnant over my dead body, oh, listen, I'm swearing right now. Over my dead body, you cannot be married to this family. I'm telling you now. Get out. Get out! The way you hit me, get out. Save a confuso.
Auntie, I'm very fertile.
Save
I'm looking for my ex.
Get out! Get out! Fertile. Fertile, you are not pregnant. What are you? Do you want to eat the fertility?
Positive. Hey! Onye kambuzi. Hey, God has done it for me, oh. Huh? You're pregnant? Yes. Oh. So, am I mad?
You're going to be a father.
All these years, we waited. Love conquer. Yes. Organic. Hey, we are going downtown. So,
Good morning.
The morning is good, though. God has done it for I and my wife. We are about to be parents. Yes! My wife is some weeks gone.
Congratulations!
They said I couldn't do it. Now I've done it. I'm a man. I'm going to be a father.
Thank you so much. Congrats.
Congrats. It calls for celebration. So relax. Relax. Let me go and get some drinks. Let's drink and celebrate. Hey.
Congratulations.
God did.
Yes.
God did for me.
Celebration time. I kept these glasses. No one has ever used it. I kept it for a special day. Ned, you dey hold. My love, we are about to be... Have this one. Hey, let's marry.
Yes.
Let's be happy. Today is a good day.
A very good day.
Hey! Oh, give me a cup of money.
Excuse me, let me check this.
Hey, say your call.
Hello? Oh my God.
What is it?
I'm so sorry. Okay, on my way. Honey, I forgot today is church service. I need to go to church today. You two should just have fun.
Oh,
just celebrate for us all. I'm coming back soon.
Hey!
I'll drive back. I need to go. Thank you so much. I'll join you guys. Make sure you enjoy yourself, okay?
If it's not that you mentioned church now, I would have said stay back now. But let me not just... I have conquered. After all these years, God blessed my wife and I with a child.
You're a man.
You're
a man.
I've proven them wrong.
Yes.
They said I couldn't.
But you proved them wrong. Congrats.
Hey! Hey! Big celebration, oh! I have to be civil now. Ladies first. Hey! Oh my goodness. I am so happy.
I'm happy.
I'm about to be a father. It is not a small thing, So let's toast, to good life. More children. More positive things. Yes. More love. You have your own child, though.
Amen.
You will have your own child.
Amen.
I'm prophesying now.
Yes,
the God that did it for me will do it for you.
Amen.
Amen. Yes. Hey! This wine, Antonia. No, drink. Drink. Let me get seats.
Okay.
Let me get seats.
I'll be waiting.
Hey. Sister.
Thank God we are back. Yeah?
What's happened?
Oledo said she slept with you during her ovulation. Yet she is not pregnant. Why? Why? Why is she not pregnant? I'm asking you. Okay?
And who said I'm pressurizing her to get pregnant?
Aye! Chai. You don't have sense at all. You are silly. Look at you. You slept with your brother's wife. Hey, don't shut me up. Don't shut me up, my friend. Let me talk. You slept with your brother's wife in order to impregnate her. When you could not even impregnate your own. Can't you say that you are not okay? You're not okay now. You're not okay.
Sister.
Brother.
Pregnant or not pregnant, I am getting married to her this month.
Says who? Isya! You lie!
Look, I won't allow you to come here and spill the rubbish you're spilling at Sochi's. I won't take that. I am not Sochi.
Yeah.
When I fix the marriage rights, if you want to come, you can come. If you don't want, you can stay.
Don't it! Hey! Okorobia! Okorobia! Oh! You cannot talk back at me, eh? Aye! Chai! I don't blame you now. Why you can sleep with your own brother's wife? Why would you talk back at me? Hey! Come and marry her, let me see. Come and marry her, let me see how that will happen while I'm still alive.
You say rigi rigi raga raga ziggy ziggy. Hey! I am about to be a father, oh. Hey, I am about to be a father. Hey, rigi rigi zaga raga rigi rigi. Hey, I'm tipsy, oh. But it is worth it. It is worth it. Do you want some more?
No.
Yeah?
It's okay.
Let me, don't worry. We can live. What is it? It's celebration time now.
I know.
It is not easy, oh.
I know.
It is not easy to fire the shot. It will go a long way, past many hindrances, and hit the net.
A real man.
It hit the net. Oh, where will it go? Oh, it now passed and hit the net. Oh, where will it go? Do you know how many defenders I had to dribble? Somebody like Gattuso. Do you know the defender called Gattuso? Animal Gattuso. I passed Gattuso. The seaman passed Gattuso. After passing Gattuso, passed, do you know who is Van Dijk? The best defender in Liverpool. The thing passed Van Dijk. Passed some Chelsea defenders. Man U defenders. And finally passed Onana. Onana.
We pia the go.
The go when Nana. Onana. What is it now? Hi. Celebration time. Hey, I'm tipsy, but I need to finish this drink. Okay. Hi. Hi.
I will take you inside, so you can sleep.
Oh, please, Hi. Hi.
Be careful.
Hey, I'm a father. Odogu. Call me Odogu.
Odogu.
Hey. Let them come. Let me prove to them that a man is here. A man is here.
No.
Hey, the man is here. Hey, I
Odogu, okay.
Hey, Odogu. Hey, I'm so happy. Hey, congratulations to me. Congratulations.
I have to be going home now. I'm very tipsy.
Hey, I'm tipsy too. You know, you're a beautiful young lady. Do you know? A beautiful young lady. Do you know?
Really?
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Why is this beautiful?
How is this possible? They said he's impotent. Today traveled, and we didn't even do anything before he traveled. Sochi is the only man that I have met ever since. How is this possible? How can I be pregnant for a man that is impotent?
She was drunk too. How do I explain that I had sex with my husband? What? I don't know why you're bothering yourself with such.
Why are you bothering yourself?
I'm bothered. It is not
Why?
good.
Did you do that intentionally? You were drunk. You said you were drunk.
Hey.
And for me, it's a truth. Now, he slept with your wife. And then you slept with his own wife. It's not even yet his wife, self. You slept with his girlfriend.
Obinna, this is no joke now. This is no joke. I mean, it is different.
Why?
I gave him my consent. He didn't.
And did you rape the girlfriend, or be the wife? Did you rape her? She gave her consent too. And I'm very sure she enjoyed it. I don't know why you disturbing yourself.
Obina, this is not what I want to hear. I brought an issue to your.
What do you want me to tell you?
Nah, Ubi.
What?
She's calling me.
Take the call now. Are you now scared of her calls?
Why is she calling?
Oga, take the call first to know why she's calling you.
Hello?
Hello? Sochi, please, we need to see. It's very, very, very important.
I hope all is well. Okay.
What does she want?
That she wants to see me now.
She wants to see you. Ha! Udogu Ezubom.
Obina, this is not a laughing matter now. We have
She needs another one. I know you now. I know what you they carry for.
Obina, this is not a...
Hey! Hey! Huh? Because the big thing was so. Hi! You don't need to be doing all these kind of things now. All this kind of house chores. You don't need it at all. Do you want to hurt the baby? Your husband? All those is Akwobi. What is he using it for? These are the kind of things he should be using it for this time around.
I can do it.
Let him utilize it.
I still have strength to do it.
His mouth. Leave it. Hi, Nem. Oh, Akwanga. Mwanje ngono. Hi. Chai. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm going to congratulate you. You see, after all, you have proven yourself that you are no longer that barren woman we used to call you. Yes. Anyway, you see, it doesn't matter who impregnated you. Pregnancy is pregnancy. Yes, pregnancy is pregnancy. It doesn't matter where it came from. See, the most important thing here is that just have a chat with my brother. You are going to have a chat with my brother. That's the most important thing here.
I don't understand. What do you mean by pregnancy is pregnancy? As in, what are you insinuating?
What I'm trying to say is that it doesn't matter who impregnated you. You see, that thing between both of you, you should keep it a top secret too. Nobody must know about it. I'm very serious. Shh. You must not tell anyone about it.
How did you know? How did you know about it?
How did I know about it? How did she know about it? We're not certain. How did you? I could come my Jaga. Jump questions. Came on, cause.
Oledo, you sounded so urgent. What is it?
I am pregnant for you.
I'm pregnant for... You're pregnant for me? How? I mean, listen. My brother is a good man. He can't wait to hear you're pregnant for him. Okay?
Sochi, I am not pregnant for him. I am pregnant for you.
Come on, stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What are you saying? Me that can't even pregnant a woman? It's not possible. I mean, it's not possible, isn't it?
If that's the case, then how did you get your wife pregnant?
Well, what I meant...
I know Dozier slept with your wife. I know he was the one that got her pregnant. But what I don't understand is how I'm pregnant for you. I don't seem to get it. Like, how am I pregnant for you? I couldn't just... I don't even know how this happened, but how am I pregnant for you?
You're pregnant for me? Hey, Oledo, can you swear with your nakedness on the child you're carrying? Oledo. Hey. Can... Me.
Sochi.
Oledo.
Sochi, I would not swear with my nakedness. But I will swear with this Bible, which is the most sacred thing on earth for me. Before my last ovulation, during my ovulation and after my ovulation, if I have slept with any other man except you, Sochi, may God take my life.
Kuna! Hey! Anuofia! Then Manya, your time is up. Go in there, pack your things and leave. You think you can sleep with two brothers, isn't it? You have the guts to sleep with two brothers. You want to bring shame to this family? Eh? You lie. Go in there. Go in there. Pack your
She's
things.
going nowhere.
Why? Because she slept with you? You can go in there, pack your things. Go in there.
Pregnant.
She's pregnant. Really? That's some good news. Finally, she's pregnant for Dozie. Hi. Good.
She's not pregnant for Dozie.
What? Who are you pregnant for? You have been sleeping around. You have been cheating. You didn't only cheat with Sochi. You have been cheating with other men.
No.
What are you? Huh?
She's pregnant for me.
I knew it. I knew that you're a very dangerous girl. Yes! You're a bad girl! Look at you. Your game is up. Yes! Your game is up. Are you not foolish? Eh? You have your eyes on Sochi. You went and got pregnant for Dozie. Now you want to transfer it to Sochi? Are you mad? Don't you know that Sochi is important? Eh? Look at you now. Your game plan has failed. That's failed. I'm not fair. What are you here?
She didn't
I thought you
lie.
have sense.
She didn't lie. She swore with the Bible.
Even you. You want to fall for her lies, eh? You want to fall for her cheap lies, isn't it? Eh? Or you want to convince yourself that you are no longer impotent? Ken Kobabu? Which one? Tell me. Which of them?
Auntie.
This is a result.
Auntie.
Brother.
Auntie, I can swear with anything. I'm pregnant for him. I am pregnant for him. You can take me to the most dreaded shrine and I will swear. The truth is like a diamond. It sparkles brightest when it's uncut and unrefined. The truth will set you free, but first it will make you a little uncomfortable. The truth might endure for a while, but a lie will haunt you forever. The truth is like a lion. You don't have to defend it. Set it loose and it will defend itself. Oledo, I'm going to place this sacred python on your neck. If you are not guilty, you will live. But if you are guilty, you will die. Are you ready to swear? I am ready. The snake seems to be the only creature that knows what is happening around it. Because the snake does not have ears to listen to gossip. Only its true perception. Every story begins with a snake. Ulasi, if she is guilty of what she's been accused of, do not spare her. But if she's innocent, show us. She's innocent. Take her home. But first, because she was brought to the sacred deity of Ulasi, Ulasi has declared that she must marry the man that got her pregnant.
Good afternoon, Didi.
Good afternoon, Josie. You're back.
Yes, I am. Congratulations to you. You deserve to be happy.
Thank you very much, Josie. Josie. I want to apologize for the way I spoke to you the last time. I'm truly sorry. And also, I want to thank you so much for taking my husband and I out of this eternal shame. I mean, what you did for us is nothing but a proof of love. We are going to forever be grateful for you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. I'm glad I was able to help.
You did.
You're welcome.
You're welcome too.
Babe. Babe, where are you going to?
I can't marry you.
Why? What have I done?
See, you've done nothing wrong. You're the kind of man I want to spend the rest of my life with. But I'm sorry, I can't marry you.
Why? What did I do?
I'm pregnant for another man. I'm sorry.
Lady, how are you?
Good day, Ndidi. I'm fine.
Do you want something? What lady? Wait! Do you need something? Hold on, what do you want? What are you doing in my room?
I'm sorry, Ndidi. It's now our matrimonial room.
Hello? Are you okay? You're in my room. Please, let's go now.
I am going nowhere, Ndidi. Go and ask Sochi. He has a lot to explain to you. Get out, please. Nowhere.
Babe?
Hey, baby.
What's going on? What's she saying?
She's pregnant.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. That's good news. But what has her pregnancy got to do with her being in her room now?
She's pregnant for me.
Serious?
Please.
What is going on? What do you mean she's pregnant for you?
Honestly, it is too heavy for me to voice it out. I don't even know how to start explaining. It's that day you brought the pregnancy test result to certify that you're pregnant for me.
Yes, I remember.
You know you left for church.
Yes.
So while we were celebrating, drinking, I got drunk. In fact, something happened. She got pregnant. When she told me, I thought it was a lie. Till Amogi took her to Lasse's shrine, where it was confirmed that it is true and I am responsible for the pregnancy.
Wait, hold on. You made out with
Mistake. I was drunk.
But you can't get her pregnant. How did it work?
Mistake, I was drunk.
Yes, but hold up, wait. You made out with her?
It was a mistake. I was drunk.
Okay, yes, but it's not possible for you to get her pregnant. So how did she get pregnant?
Sochi.
Hey.
Sochi. Please help me. I think I can get into a depression and die. Olaido just left me. She left me for another man. It so happens that she's carrying another man's child. Please help me and go. Babe, you are here. Babe, please, let's go home. Let's go home and talk about this. I am not mad at you for taking in for another man. I love you. I still love you. Let's go home and talk about it, okay? I am so happy you didn't go. You came to my family for refuge. Thank you.
Dozie, I am already with that man.
What are you talking about? What is she talking about?
Sochi is the man that got me pregnant.
Come on, this is a prank, right? This is a joke.
Yes, it's not a joke.
It's not a joke.
Hey.
What do you mean by it's not a joke? Sochi is impotent.
She's telling the truth.
But Sochi is impotent.
Yes.
I took her to Olase. She swore before Olase. And Olase declared that whoever that got her pregnant must get married to her.
Who got her pregnant? Who?
You!
Dozie.
You did this to me! You did this to me after all I've done for you! You did this to me!
Hey!
Talk to me, what happened? How?
Oh my
You don't
goodness.
know. Guys get home pregnant, so how did you get pregnant?
Have you seen what you cost? Amoge, have you seen what you cost?
Oh, shut up your mouth! Shut up that thing you come out! What is wrong with you? Be a man! I did you a favor. Be grateful for it.
What stupid favor?
If this has not happened, how would you have known that you are not important after all? How would you have known? Eh? Come on, look at me, also. Is it not good luck?
Don't say Amoge, Amoge.
Does he put it down?
Hey!
Give me.
Listen. If they kill me, will you be happy?
I'm not going anywhere with you, Dozie. My mother was a servant of Olasi. I know the implications of going against her order, Dozie. I can't go anywhere with you. If I were you, Dozie, I would go see Akugo to know if there is a way about this. Do you think I'm happy about this? Do you think I don't love you? I love you, Dozie, and I want to be with you. But I can't. I cannot disobey Ulasi. I can't.
Hey, Obia!
Sochi, don't start the war. Bless up! Bless up! Amoge! Block, Amoge. Hey!
Hey, Ochimo.
Hey!
Where is he going to? Hey, Ochimo. Hey! 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 Cutlass. Chimuke. Hey! Where is he going to?
Amoge.
Eh?
Amoge, oh.
Where is he going?
Hey!
Beauty is the purest feeling of the soul. Beauty arises when the soul is satisfied. It is you, beauty, spirit, of will, of energy, of virtue, and of purity that I want. But not alone of your brittle frame. A child's laughter is pure until he laughs at a clown. You've been purified.
Akugo is pure and merciful.
Welcome, servant of Ulasi. I've waited for this moment a long time ago.
I am no servant of anybody. I heard you order my wife to get married to my brother. I cannot accept it. I want her back.
Fate is nothing but a deed committed in the prior state of existence. Wherever a man chooses to go, and whatever a man chooses to do, eventually he will return to the place which destiny has placed him. Have you ever wondered why she was led to you? Oh, your father would have explained everything to you before he died.
What explanation are you talking about?
Your father was once a chosen servant of Ulasi. But he pleaded and offered sacrifices. Then he pledged that one of his sons will take over him. And that son is you. Oh! Have you not wondered why you're unable to get her pregnant? And why your brother suddenly became potent? It was your potency that was transferred to him. The servant of Ulasi cannot bear children.
I don't care about any stupid explanation. I give you 24 hours. 24 hours to revoke that order, or else.
The nightmares. You've never told anyone about it. It scares you, don't they?
24 hours.
My love. This is the most awkward moment in my life. I I never knew a little mistake would turn to this. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. You've been the best for me. My backbone. My everything. I have heard a lot about Ulasi. I remember what my father said. Do not joke with the declaration of Ulasi because it comes with lots of consequences. Please, my love, I am on my knees. Accept her. I believe some things happen for a reason. Please, let's see what fate has for us. Biko, I beg you. I understand Ulasi's judgment of consequence. Please accept her.
You're a good man, Sochi. I have always prioritized your happiness over mine. If this is what you want, I will embrace it. If this will give you peace and rest of mind, I will do it. You're not perfect. I'm not. No one is. Like you always say, let us stay together and see what fate has for us. I forgive you. Let's make this work. Come. Actions have consequences.
Love is friendship that caught fire. Love is understanding. Mutual confidence. Love is giving and forgiving. Love settles for less than perfection. Love accommodates all things. Please, my love. I understand Ulasi's judgment of consequence. Please accept her.
You're a good man, Sochi. I have always prioritized your happiness over mine. If this is what you want, I will embrace it. If this will give you peace and rest of mind, I will do it. You're not perfect. I'm not. No one is. Like you always say, let us stay together and see what fate has for us. I forgive you. Let's make this work. Come here. I forgive you. Come. I mean, it's gone.
In the quiet of her longing, it tried to pray to see years of waiting, endlessly hoping. I turned to my own brother with a heart full of trust. Help me to do this. This love must not end this way. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go to. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go to. Tell me what to do. I never know. Tell me what to do. No, no. Tell me what to do. The fates is crowded, go through blind. Tell me what to do. No, no. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Now the price is ours to pay. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Just only one night, all has changed. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Oh, oh, oh. She came to me with trembling lips. The child inside is real, but her eyes held secret shadows. Wounds too deep to hear. My brother turned in shame. I tell too dark to say. I don't know what else to do.
I can't afford to lose her.
I don't know where to run to.
I can't afford to lose her. No, no, no. What do I do? 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 Oh, God. What do I do? No!
Just only one night, all has changed. Tell me what to do. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Jesus! What do you want?
Calamity looms in your family if you do not accept your fate. Do not be responsible for this calamity. Choosing one.
I know we can't control everything that happens to us. But sometimes we have to have faith. Relax and have faith that things are going to work out. I know you can't handle everything that happens to you. But you can handle how you respond to it. And your response, they say, is your most powerful weapon. My mother will always say that to me. I want you to find peace within you. I have accepted you. Why can't you accept your reality? You need to let it go. Okay? You're going to be fine. I know it. Don't worry. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Like one of Dosie's friends' car. Yes! Yes, Sochi! Please, yes, please come to the house right now.
Boy, I say, where is he? Yeah, Dossier! 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 Kedonya Lang! Where is that madman?
Who is shouting my name?
Dozier, I am the one shouting your name. Dozier, Amo. What I want is my wife. Where is my wife?
Where is my wife?
Yeah, Dozier. Either food him be if he fed wiki me. Go and bring up. Go.
Where are you going to?
Where is my wife? Where is my wife? Can you hear me? Yeah. Dozier, be very, very careful with me. Oh. Go and get my wife for me.
Where is my wife?
Where's my wife?
Where is my own
Go
wife?
and bring my wife, Dozier.
When you bring my wife to me, I will return your wife to you.
I did not kidnap your wife. Your wife came to my house by herself. Give me my wife, Dozier.
And you got her pregnant, didn't you? You got her pregnant. Well, your wife has something that belongs to me.
Okay. Okay. I know where you're driving at. Oh, but I will pretend I didn't hear that. Go and get me my wife.
Sochi,
go and get me my wife.
Your wife is carrying my child. When she puts to bed and give me my child, you return my wife to me, yeah, and I return yours to you.
Dozier, don't give me that condition. Go and get.
What is wrong with the both of you? Stop it! Dozier, stop it! Stop it!
Hey!
Dozier, what is wrong with you? Do you want to incur the wrath of Ulasi?
At this point, I don't care. When you come back home, I'll return his wife back to him.
Dozier.
Dozier. Fine. I'm here. I'm here, Dozier. Where is Ndidi? Where is Ndidi?
Where's my wife? Where is Ndidi? Hi. Oh. I have a brother.
Yes, hello? Take her back where you picked her. Yes, I have my wife. She's home.
Yeah, by gang.
Yes. You
Dozier, by gang.
You can go and get your wife. Leave this place.
Dozier, so you are now gang affiliated. You now ask people to abduct my wife. Where is she? Where do I see her now?
Go to your house. She'll be waiting for you.
Dozier, if I get to my house and I don't see my wife, I will deal with you.
Nothing will happen. Nothing. Go to your house.
Hanaka Gobi.
I said go to your house.
Okay, you're now gingering me.
Oga Claire.
You're now talking back at me. Okay, see, look at see people. I thought I have a brother. I didn't know you're now a cultist. You're now a cultist. You're gingering me.
Sochi.
Gang affiliation. You kidnapped my wife. But no problem. We shall see. Mbapulogin slippers. If I remove my slippers for you,
Nothing will happen. Nothing.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen.
Sochi.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Nothing. Nothing, Oga.
Please. Sochi.
It's okay. We shall see.
Sochi, when your wife puts to birth, bring the child to me. That is my child.
Oh God, what up we are. See, I don't know why I'm holding some things back. If not,
what will you do?
You see this thing you're doing to me?
What will you do?
No one else will do it.
What will you do?
No problem. No
Are you
problem.
going to fight me as well?
Hey, what the baby?
Come back, Sachi, come back! Sachi! Come back, please.
Baby, did they harm you?
No.
They didn't harm you.
Who sent them?
Dozie sent them.
Dozie?
Dozie's gang. Dozie
did this to me?
You're not harmed, right?
No, we have to go. Please, let's go inside. It's not safe. You mean Dozie did this? Sachi, come, let's go inside,
I
please.
needed to catch one of them. I just needed to lay my hands on any of them. So
Let's go, please. And I come back. Let's go.
it's alright. No wahala. No wahala. Dozie, we shall see. One of those them are here. Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Huh? How can you talk to me now? What is this?
Open it. This is the test result from the scan I conducted to make sure that the baby is safe.
Yeah, I can see. So what about it?
The result says I had sex with your brother on the 15th of February. But the result says I was pregnant 2 weeks before the 15th. I miscalculated my ovulation. Yes.
2 weeks before my brother slept with you?
Yes. Whatever you're thinking is true.
How is it possible?
It's possible.
The doctor confirmed it.
Yes. You're the father of our child.
Me?
Yes.
Yes, I remember. Yes, I remember we had a lot of sex during that period.
Yes.
I impregnated you. Me?
Yes.
Hey! Oh my goodness! I'm lost for words. You need to see the doctor so I can put you see gynecologist. So
it's true.
Oh my goodness! You know me! Hey, God.
Dozie, you're making a big mistake. My mother said Ulasi. Ulasi is not a deity you can toll with.
I don't care. You belong to me. And I don't owe any deity any explanation. Ulasi, to hell with Ulasi. To hell with Ulasi. Ulasi, wherever you are right now, to hell with you.
Dozie! Hey! Dozie! Let's take him to the hospital immediately.
No, we can't take him to the hospital. No, we can't take him to the hospital. We need to take him to Ulasi. Unless he's going to die.
Ulasi?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Dozie! Mba, Olube, Dozie! I want them. Hey! Dozie! Let's go! Let's go, Ulasi one. Let's go. Hey, please. Where's Akugo? Akugo, please. Help my brother. My brother is dying, please. Help, please. My brother is dying, please. Dozie.
Help us.
Please.
Stubbornness is a virtue when you are right. But it is a character flaw when you are wrong. So many have strayed out of the destined path chosen for them. Your brother was given moments to embrace his path, but he was so stubborn about it. And now he is compelled to do so.
Please, is there not something we can do?
Please.
I don't want him to die. Please.
Is there something Ulasi can do for us?
Yes.
Please?
Is there not something Ulasi can do for us? Biko, just mention it. We please, I don't want my brother to die. Biko, Akugo, please.
Put him inside the coffin. Do it and leave the rest for me.
Akugo, I want him alive.
Sochi.
Mama, babe.
Sochi.
Coffin.
Do as she has instructed.
Hey, Oledo, coffin.
Don't you trust me?
Coffin, what? We came here to save his life and you're asking me to put him inside the coffin.
Can you just put him inside the coffin? Trust me. Sochi, put him inside. Help me, let's put him inside the coffin.
Lucy.
This way.
Close it.
Close it. Trust me. Don't you trust me?
That's alright. Please.
Now you can go home and leave the rest for me. If by tomorrow he leaves, then good fortune will await your family. He is the chosen servant of Ulasi.
What?
It is time to wake up. Servant of Ulasi. Sochi, open the coffin. Welcome, servant of Ulas. My job is done here.
Farewell, priestess of Ulasi. Farewell. He who beats the drums of Ulasi must be ready to dance in the pattern of the spirits. Uledo, when you put to birth, you must bring your offspring to this shrine.
Huh?
The child, he has been chosen to be my successor when he comes of age. Ulasi has spoken. You all may go now.
Honor you, servant of Ulasi.
The gods, they called my name, but I turned, I felt no flame.
You named him after Dozie.
Yes, we named him after you.
No, I am no longer Dozie. I am Agbale Kuka, the great servant of Ulasi. Oledo was destined to die, as well as she was destined to bring forth my successor. How is Ndidi?
She's fine. She gave me a girl. We named her after our lady.
Good.
The elders warned, the seers cried.
Great Ulasi, I present Dozie, my successor. May your will be done when he becomes of age.
The wind whisper in the dead of the night. Our voice will be born in light. The drums of the gods, they called my name, but I turned, I felt no flame. They spoke of power, they spoke of fate, of destiny I should embrace. Yet I walked a path of my own desire.